I got zero friends.
Isa po tayo dito sa mga kapatid, mga ka-OFW. Yan po ngayon, ang init sa labas. Sobra. 24. Pero dito po, dahil po sa reflection ng bato, sobrang init, mga kala mo 30. Sobra po. Natapos lang nagtrabaho, kaya yan, masaya na po yung mga halaman. Pero dito sa may simento, yan, siguradong malalanta na naman yan dahil sa init. Ang ganda ng okay? Ang ganda ng tubo yung garden ko sa taas. Papakita ko sa inyo. Kita niya, ganda. Namulaklak na siya, hindi kagaya noon. Sira-sira, pero ngayon okay na. Kita niyo, marami ng bulaklak. Kaya lang mayroon din mga weeds na hindi ko natanggal. Alright. Ha?
Sabi ko yung lollipop.
Alright, kumpanya po ng eleksyon.
Mga isang sasao.
Alam mga ito naman ang tagsaway na kung ano, Jeremy presentation mo lang ata. Hindi na Jeremy Corbyn.
So thank you so much for coming out today.
Kandidato mo ito.
Please thank you for Kosovo, Mos Shabani, for coming out today to South Korea.
Wait.
How will we do it? Did you get out of bed this morning to be sluggish? You got out of bed this morning because you have a plan, correct? You have an action to bring about, correct? Let me ask you this question. Who has the power? What's up with you? Who has the power? We do. Who has the power? We do. So when you're walking down, knocking on doors, I need you to remember what? Who has the power? We do. Let me help you remember. Give me a beat.
Jeremy Corbyn.
Remember this? Let me tell you why. Because they've been filling us and feeding us with so much BS in the last 5 years,
Alex?
telling us who to vote for, who's right for us, who has our interests in that, and we know in the last 5 years it's been total what? BS! Lies! Gaslighting! And I don't know about you, but I'm too old for that. I know I don't look it, but you know, we try. And it is time to put a face on our political representation. Do you agree with me? This is not the time for political loyalty. This is the time for personal loyalty. It is time to have a face in that House of Commons that represents our voices, our feelings, our values. And the time when it comes to values and norms can't change. We're either good or bad.
Ito po yung start of campaigning kasi malapit ng election sa UK. So, andyan po yung paborito natin, si Jeremy Corbyn. Yay! Yeah, Alex. Oh, Jeremy Corbyn. Ano yan? Arsenal fans pa yan. Pag nanalong ano yan? Pag nanalo yan, magbibigay pa ng mga amnesty ng walang ano po dito. Invite yan. Tapos ayaw niya kay ano, ayaw niya yung mataas na tax. Alright, ayun na, maulap na naman po. Alright.
Once again, this is the historic weekend where, thanks to you, we are knocking on every single door in Islington North. We're starting this morning in Mildmay and Highbury,
Pag nanalo
and later on this afternoon we'll be out at Cockney Park.
Pag nanalo po yung tao na yan, si Jeremy Corbyn,
And tomorrow, if you're coming back,
babalik po yung dati ng mga benefits po ng insurance ng mga NHS. Number 1 po na tinatarget yan. Kasi itong conservative na privatize na yung NHS, kaya waiting for approval, kaya naging masama na po yung hindi kagaya ng pa-check up ka monthly, libre ganun, pero ngayon wala na. So that means na-privatize na, tumaas pa yung mga bayad. Ayan, paglalaban natin yan. Jeremy Corbyn, nasyonalista. Oh, Jeremy Corbyn. Alright. Tingnan natin sa
where they met, they talked, they dreamt, and they dreamt of a better world, and a world based on peace and on justice. And for their pains, Dr. Price was charged with treason against the British state because he was supporting the principles of the French Revolution. I'm not saying you're all going to get charged with treason for being here today, but you never know. But we're here to assert something different. The people of North Islington, through the Labour Party in North Islington, were denied the right to select their own candidate for Parliament. I was denied the right to even have my name considered. And when I protested about this to the General Secretary of the Labour Party and gave him a fairly legalistic reason why my name should be put forward, he wrote one line back saying, the rules of natural justice no longer apply in the Labour Party. Literally. Well, the rules of natural justice are our right to campaign, our right to be heard, our right to demonstrate, and that is what this election is about. And so, we're out there with the alternative voice. The alternative voice is housing justice, is rent controls, is regulation of the private rented sector, is building council housing, is taking the stress away from young people, those that have been to university, saddled with massive debts, saddled with very high rents. Those, quite rightly, that are concerned about environmental damage that we're doing and the polluted air that we all breathe, want to see a government that intervenes on all of these things to bring about cleaner air and a better sustainable environment. And a health service that is not sold off to the private sector, that is not dominated by private health interests, to play on the fears of people that cannot get treatment in the NHS because of the lack of investment. The answer isn't to use the private sector, the answer is to take over the private sector, to provide the resources for everybody, irrespective of their income, to get the care, the support and the help that they need. There are so many issues in this election. And if I'm elected to Parliament, my job will be to speak out on these things. If the government does something good, I'll support them. But if they fall by the wayside and they don't take mail, rail and water back into public ownership, they allow the water companies to carry on pouring sewage into our rivers and sea, then I will be the #1 critic to ensure that voice is heard. That is my job as a Member of Parliament. I've been very proud to do it all these years, and very proud as elected again on July the 4th to do it all over again. It's also about a voice for peace in the world. It's also about bringing an end to the wars in the world, those wars that are fueled by greed, by mineral exploitation, by the arms trade, and the horrors that go with it. Those that have died in the Congo, those that have died in Ukraine, and those that are dying now in Gaza. I will be that voice for peace. I will be that voice to end the occupation of Gaza and the West Bank, to bring about peace. And I do this in concert with many friends in Israel who are very bravely also speaking out against the occupation. Ours is the united campaign of all people to bring about peace and justice in this world. Farage and others might want to promote and encourage far-right racism within our society. We are a people that are very different here. We're determined to live in a society that respects the irrespective of their faith, respects all, and prevents the growth of racism within our society. Ours is a fantastic united campaign, and I'm very proud to be part of it. I'm very proud of the role that all of you are playing in this. So today we're out knocking on doors to remind people that I am the independent candidate, why I'm the independent candidate, and what it is that unites us in bringing about a world of hope and justice for the future. Just think about this. Let's make history here in North Islington in the same way that Richard Price, Mary Wollstonecraft, William Godwin, and so many others, and of course the great George Jones, spoke up for justice at a time of deep oppression in the early 19th century. We are speaking up for a different world, a better world, a united world. Let's make history here in Islington North on July the 4th. Thank you very much indeed. We're now going to have Martin, who is commanding today's operation, I believe, to arrange you for a photograph, and then please, out on the doorstep, put a bubble already enough to do. Be polite, be friendly, be engaging, but above all be accurate, so that we know where our support lies, so we can gently remind them on July the 4th not to forget to go and vote and take an affirmative ID with them. Martin, over to you. Thank you, Jamie Florian. So as Jamie said, we're going to be going out and knocking on doors.
Okay, start na po yan ng ng kumpanya. Pero ulit upload po to. Andyan po yung nanalo na si Jeremy Corbyn, yung matagal ng leader ng Libo, pang napalitan. Kaya yan. Siya ngayon ay independent party. Pero po nanalo po siya ito sa amin, Islington MP. Yan po lalaban niya yung NHS natin.
Anyone else coming to Mould May Park?
You can make your way over to the table to the right of the stage.
Alright. Madami din, no? Independent pala, hindi nationalist, independent. Alright. Yung naka-blow na yun. Ayun. Ano nang ilaw doon. Tayo sa dry na ang pangit dito pag walang ulan sa amin. Alright. Palitrato ta ni Jeremy Corbyn.